Addressing skills gaps is critical to preparing employees for success at the factory and in the field. Let's look at how digital technology can help employees rapidly access critical information on the factory floor. Meet factory worker Jeff. Jeff is covering a shift for a more experienced coworker and is unsure how to correctly start a key piece of production equipment. Using his mobile device and Teams app, Jeff locates a startup checklist in SharePoint and stream training video for the equipment. After reviewing the training materials, Jeff uses Teams walkie-talkie to reach out to shift leader Lily and ask a few follow-up questions, but sees she is unavailable. Jeff notices a Vesper 3D guided procedure for the machine linked to the stream video and opens it. The Vesper procedure walks Jeff through the start process with step-by-step instructions and 3D visuals for the equipment to successfully start the equipment. Using the modern workplace tools at his fingertips, Jeff was able to overcome a skills gap with rapid access to centralized resources and assistance.